So the problem states that China's exports is represented by this equation where x equals 0 is 1998. And it said, in what year did exports reach 6.8 billion? So if it wants to know when exports reach 6.8 billion, that means that's what we're going to be plugging in for f of x, and we'll be solving for x over here. So we'll have 6.8 equal to 1.8208 e to the 0.3387x. I'm going to divide both sides by 1.8208. That leaves me with e to the 0.3387x. Over here on the left side, I'm going to do my calculated value just using my calculator. 2.8 divided by 1.8208. That gives me 3.73. Now I am going to retain this number in my calculator as I go so that I don't actually round to the very end. Then the next thing I need to do is cancel this e. We cancel an e by ln'ing both sides. So that gives me ln of 3.73 equal to 0.3387x. And then I can divide. So the key thing that you need to know in solving this problem is how to work with your exponentials. Well, you did have to know that 6.8 was going to be your f of x. You had to divide. You had to know your inverse property on how to cancel that e. Now over here on my calculator, what I'm going to do is I am going to do ln of the answer because I retained that number in my calculator, and then take that answer and divide it by 0.3387. So when you're doing this, you do want to make good use of the on-screen calculator to assist you. Now at the very end, I'm going to get 3.890. Now that would be what x is equal to. In the problem, it said, in what year did the exports reach 6.8 billion? So I'm going to take this, I'm going to add it to that 1998, and that's how I'm going to get 2001.89.